What's the meaning of blue cheese? Blue cheese. Blue cheese.
Blue cheese. Blue cheese. Blue cheese is a type of cheese that is made with cultures of the mold Penicillium, which creates a blue or greenish-blue veining within the cheese. This veining is referred to as blue and gives the cheese a distinct flavor and aroma. Blue cheese can be made with different types of milk, such as cow's milk, sheep's milk or goat's milk, and it can vary in texture and intensity of taste. Some of the most famous varieties of blue cheese include Roquefort, Stilton, and Gorgonzola. Blue cheese is often served as a topping or dressing for salads, as a spread for crackers or bread, or used in cooking to add depth to sauces and dishes.